Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Pisces. Pisces people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. So, Pisces, this is your current energy, the lovers. Okay. It seems like most of you Pisces are dating or with somebody whom you feel that that person is your soulmate. Okay. And the best part of this relationship is that the other person also thinks in the same manner. Okay. So I can feel that you must be experiencing the mutual love, mutual affection, mutual connection, mutual bonding with this person. Okay. So something or someone is there in your life who is able to fulfill your emotional needs. Okay. And you feel a deep soul connection with that person. Okay. So Pisces, this is your current energy. If I talk about your partner's current energy, so we have 5 of Pentacles. With this card, it seems like your person is being somebody who is very, very sad and depressed in life. Perhaps they had missed some opportunities in past, but now they are being so worried about it. Okay. So with this card, it seems like they are depressed and sad. Okay, they are sorry about some past experiences, and it could also happen with them that that somebody from their own family, from their own friend circle, has dished them. Okay. It could also happen that their past bad relationship experiences is still haunting them. So something is there in this person's life which is making them really sad. Alright. If I talk about the mutual current energy between Pisces and their person, so Pisces, can you see this? Can you see this? I think I don't have any other word to say this thing, because as I told you in the beginning of this reading, it feels that you see your person as your soulmate, but this is something, a mutual understanding, mutual connection. This person is surely thinks about you as their soulmate. The Lovers card is here. I have nothing more to say. This is a soul connection, this is a divine connection, this is a mutual connection. It is not that only Pisces you are putting all your efforts. Your person is also equally investing in you in terms of emotion, in terms of time, in terms of affection. It is a mutual connection, it is a divine connection, it is a soulmate connection. Oh, for Pisces. Okay. Now let's see, Pisces, how your person is seeing you, what actions they are taking towards you right now, and what actions they can take towards you in future. Okay. I'm really happy to see these two Lovers card for Pisces. I mean, it's been ages. You haven't seen a good time in your life, but now I think your time has started. Alright. So the current, your person sees you as somebody who is a very lazy person, according to them. They want you to achieve something in life, they want you to grow in life, they want you to do something best in life. Okay. Perhaps they see you as somebody, perhaps you had done something in past and you are just still sitting with that particular victory, but now your person wants you to move, your person wants you to grow, your person wants you to touch the highest positions in your professional life or in your personal life. Okay. The current action from your partner side towards you is totality. It seems like your person is checking your patience, your person is checking your intentions towards him, and eventually they also know that they need your support to complete this relationship. So at this point of time, if I talk about the current action from their side, is that they are seeing you, they are observing you, how calm you are, how you handle certain situations. Okay, because relationship is something, it can only work when both of you are involving completely. Okay, so they are seeing you, how you react, what you do, what's your behavior. Okay, the future actions which they can towards you is the Creator card. It seems like your person knows about it, that you are someone who has been given by God to them. They are believing in God, they are believing in divine, they are believing in universe, they believe in God. Okay, so they feel that, okay, if I am getting this person in my life, if I am getting this Pisces in my life, then something is there for me to understand. Okay, nothing is coincidence, something is there, why this person has chased me, why this person is in my life right now. So something is there for me to know. Okay, in short, they also see this relationship as a divine connection. Okay, so Pisces, we have Gemini in this reading. Some of you could be dealing with Gemini. We have Earth sign Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn in this reading. Some of you could be dealing with fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and some of you could be dealing with water sign Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So Pisces people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell notification button. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.